Hey guys, it's your girl, It's Curls Gone Wild. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you to everybody who watched my first video on that neon pink eyeshadow look. Really appreciate all the love. If you have not watched that video, please do check it out. At the end of this video, there will be a link to that one. So you guys can go ahead and watch it, like it, share your comments, your reactions, all that good stuff. But anyways, for today's video, we're going to be doing something totally different. I am going to be doing a tutorial / product review of Magic Collection Color Effect Hair Color Wax. So there's been a lot of buzz of hair color wax, hair paints all over Instagram, and one of my friends actually recommended that I try it, so I'm going to be doing that for her. Shout out to you, Cam. This one's for you. The color that I'm going to be using is blue. It is actually like a metallic cobalt blue sort of deal. It is super bright. So we're going to see how it turns out on my dark hair. I am not going to rewash my hair. I'm just going to dampen it because your hair is supposed to be like 80% dry. And it would take like 3 days for my hair to dry before I will be able to put this product on. So I'm not going to rewash it. I'm just going to do it in this state. I did recently wash my hair like 2 days ago, so it's clean, it's ready to go, it's been moisturized, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dampen it with my continuous spray bottle from Sally's, and I'm just gonna apply the product right over them. I'm not gonna add any other hair products because I don't want to have like a white cast. I kind of want the color to be true to itself. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. Okay, I'm gonna be wearing gloves because I don't want this stuff all over the place. I don't want to stain my hands because that's just a lot of work unnecessarily. Okay, so let's open it up and let's see. So it does say to like put some on your hands and get it on your palms, rub it together, and then go through your hair. I'm gonna start out a little bit at a time because, you know, less is more sometimes, and it's easier to build than it is to try to like put on a bunch and then try to take it away. So I'm just gonna go through my hair a little bit. I'm gonna saturate it with water. Not too much because it is supposed to be like 80% of the way dry. So just enough to where I can like run my fingers through it without having too much resistance. And then I'm gonna go ahead, and actually I'm gonna take the gloves off to do this part of it so I can feel how damp my hair is. And put just a little bit more water in my hands. Okay, I'm gonna take about a nickel size amount of oil to start and just kind of run it through. You know, I'm gonna get a little bit more for those ends, kind of seal them in. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my gloves on. And go. Oh my gosh, wow. Okay. I'm gonna rub it on. Okay. And I'm not gonna go all the way to the roots of my hair because I want to have like kind of like an ombre effect. So I'm gonna get a little bit at the top and kind of make it more towards the ends. And you can see this is about how much I have on here. It's really pretty. Oh, the camera doesn't do it justice. Okay, so now I think I have about as much as I want to put on here. So I'm gonna just twist my hair to a 2-strand twist. Okay, so now that I have all of the blue in my hair, I'm just going to put on a satin bonnet. And then I'll probably put a satin scarf over that just to make sure that I don't dye my very lightly colored pillows and sheets blue overnight. And in the morning, I'm gonna take it down, film the whole thing so we can see the results. Okay, so my hair has dried overnight and it's time for the big reveal. I'm excited. Hopefully this comes out nicely. I had some nice definition when I was running the wax through my hair, so hopefully it pays off and the twist out. Fingers crossed, we'll see. So there you have it. This is the final look. On the camera, it looks a little bit more subdued. In person, it is definitely a lot brighter than I expected. Kind of got a whole Marge Simpson situation going on here. But despite it being so bright, I really like it. My hair doesn't feel hard. It doesn't feel crunchy. It's very soft, just like if I would have twisted it with a twisting product. So overall, I'm gonna give this product a thumbs up. Definitely 2 blue thumbs up. So let's talk about that. So there is a little bit of transfer on my hands as well. That might be because I used oil to seal my hair before I put product on. But I mean, it's not really getting on my clothes. I wouldn't wear a white shirt. But yeah, overall, I love it. Thumbs up from me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Hope to see you back again on my channel sometime soon. Thanks for the love. Peace.